is the strongest egg in the planet. I need to tap a million times to break this. I have no idea what's inside. But let's get started. In the last video I tapped 200,000 times. But this time I am going to complete the whole thing after tapping for 4 days. Last 4 days tapping is not that easy because ads keep popping up every now and then. While tapping, an ad suddenly appears and it can get pretty annoying. Sometimes a different game starts up and I get confused about what to do. But there's no point in getting frustrated. I just close and reopen the app to keep going. After I hit 400,000 tap, I got a weapon that helped me tap faster. Then gradually, the tap count started going down. I began getting new weapons that helped lower the points even faster. I changed weapon a few times and then the point started decreasing even more quickly. That made it a bit easier. But tapping so many times is really tough. Sometimes my fingers even start hurting from all the tapping. I don't really know what's inside. I have got to finish it. I just keep tapping. Now I have just 50,000 taps left. Started now. 39,000 taps left. Last 50,000 taps. Last 10,000 taps left. Putting up with all the ads, I am finally almost here. Just 5,000 taps left. Now down to only 1,000 taps. I am so close and this game is finally about to end. Here we go. Last 500 taps. 100 left. Whoa! Break the egg. Next level. What is the next level? I did not get anything. After tapping it so hard. The problem is the game not show the second level.
I installed the app.